Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope that you all will be fine and doing great at your home. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School situated Kula Bazar, Gorakhpur. Student, today we are going to start our English literature part. So for that you all take out your new Jams English Reader book. Student, this is the chapter number 1 and the name of this chapter is Black Beauty. Okay, what's the name of this chapter? It is Black Beauty. So before starting the chapter, I will tell you something about the author. So this chapter has been written by Anna Sewell. This is the first chapter of much loved classic tale told from a horse's points of view. Okay, in this chapter, young horse Black Beauty tell us about his early life. Author of this chapter, Anna, was born in 1920 and she died in 1878. She was an English novelist known widely for her novel Black Beauty. The novel deals with the well-being animals, giving lesson of kindness, sympathy and respect for others. Okay, so student, firstly we are going to read and after that explain this story. So there is first is Black Beauty is tale of handsome horse who lived on an English farm. Okay, there is first we have to read that Black Beauty is the tale of a handsome horse. As you can see in this picture, there is a Black Beauty which is a handsome horse. Okay, so who lived on an English farm. He began his life as carefree called Darky. His name is Darky. Okay. Darky played with the other 6 coils on the farm. Sometimes the coils would gallop fast on or kick and bite each other. Now the next. As soon as Darky was old enough to eat grass, his mother would go out to work in the daytime. So student, as we all know, the title of this story is Black Beauty. So in this story, the Black Beauty is the handsome horse. Okay, so Black Beauty is the hero and narrator of our story. Of course, he is a baby at this point and doesn't even have a name yet, but for our purpose we will call him Beauty. Okay, because he is very handsome. Okay, so he started his life as a carefree called Darky. Okay, so he lived in an English farm. So Darky played with the 6 other colts, live in the meadow with Beauty and his mother. Okay, they played together like neighborhood kids on the same block. They used to gallop all together round and round the field as they could go. Okay, so because boys will be boys, sometime Beauty and the colts play a little rough. Beauty's mother Duchess call him over one day and gives him a little lecture. She says the colts are good colts but don't have good manners and they are not only cart horse. Colts Beauty on the other hand is well bred and well born. His grandfather had the sweetest temper of any horse even. So Beauty's mother gives him a major life lesson which he never forgets. Okay, his mother says to Beauty that be good while I go to work for Farmer Gray. So student, here is the question that who was Farmer Gray? So Farmer Gray was the first master of Darky. Okay, because Darky lived in an English farm and Farmer Gray was the owner of that farm. Okay, as you can see there is a Farmer Gray. Okay, so now next is, but his mother always taught him to work hard and be kind and said, you have been well bred and well born. Your father is well known. Your grandfather won the cup at the Newmarket race twice. Your grandmother is gentle and kind. Learn from them all. You must do your work well and never bite or kick. Okay, so now moving to the next. So this master farmer Gray was a good man who looked after them all. Student, the farmer Gray was very good master for Darky. But, well dear pet, how is your little Darky? One day, Farmer Gray at the farm talking to the other calls that, well dear pet, how is your little Darky? So, but sometime Dick, the plug boy, would hide in the hedges and throw stone and twigs at the horses. Okay, and what a fun it is to watch them jolt and gallop away. There was a plug boy whose name was Day. He was very naughty. He threw the stones at the horses. Okay, so one day Farmer Gray happened to notice Dick's cruel game. Okay, one day Farmer Gray, who was the owner of that farm, he noticed to Dick that troubling to his horses. So that time he caught Dick by them. He caught Dick by the arm and scolded him. This is the last time you trouble my horses. This is the last time you trouble my horses. Leave my farm at once. Now the next. When Darky was 4 years old, Squire Golden come to look at him. He wished to have Darky as his horse. He examined Darky's eyes, his mouth and his legs. When he has been well broken in, he will do very well. Now the next, a few days later, Farmer Gray sent Darky to another farm for a while for his training. A few days later, Farmer Gray sent Darky to another farm for a while for his training. This farm had a railway track running along one side. He is a good horse. I want him to get used to being in other places and around other animals. Now the next. Darky grazed in the meadow along with the sheep and cows when suddenly, look out here. Look out, here comes a frightful creature. Now the next. But some time later, Darky got used to this creature. He realized that the train never entered the field or harmed anyone. So there's nothing to be frightened or fear. In the starting, when Farmer Gray sent to Darky to another farm for his training, so that time Darky felt very frightened to see the other creature, but some time later Darky got used to this creature. He realized that the train never entered the field and or harmed anyone. So there's nothing to be frightened of here. So now the next. Then one day Farmer Gray returned to take Darky back to his farm. Okay, when Darky's training was completed, so Farmer Gray returned to take Darky back to his farm. Darky is not startled by the train anymore. Darky is not startled by the train anymore. He can take the carriage to the railway station. It will calm him in marketplace and in crowds. So now all you need to do is to break him in. Back at his farm, Farmer Gray went on to break Darky's two harness. Stand still while I put on this collar, saddle and bridle. You'll get used to it in a few days. So Darky. Now the next, a few months later. Next, so Darky learned how to carry a person on his back. Then he learned how to trot with a cart or a chaise attached to him. Now you must move exactly as the driver wishes. So remember to never get startled or to kick or neigh. So a few months later, Squire Gordon took Darky to his estate where he began his new life and made many new friends. So student, this is the story of Black Beauty, that how could a handsome horse whose name was Darky start his life as a carefree colt, and how could he learn how to carry a person on his back. Then he learned how to trot with a cart or a chaise attached to him. So this is the whole story of a Black Beauty and their life. Okay. So, student, I hope you all are enjoying this story. So you have to read this story at your home in front of parents, and also you have to find out the hard words of this chapter. I hope this story will be clear to you. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.